There's a boy. There's Jesus. Excuse me. Yep, there's Jesus. There's the 3 Hebrews. What are we looking for?
Moon.
The moon. Okay. Almost there. There's a lamb. There's the lion.
Ethan, what sound does the lion make?
Wow.
Good.
Almost there.
Moon.
What is it?
All done. He found the moon. He's all done.
Good boy. There's the rough wall.
What are you looking for, Ethan?
What are you looking for? The moon?
You mind turning there?
You found the animals. Let's find the moon. Too far. There's a camel. There's the snakes. There's the donkey. Joshua. Where's the moon? Where's the